Why does removing a Yelp review professionally cost so much? You're overpaying, and here's what you actually need. Here's the problem. Agencies charge wildly different prices and most can't actually deliver. DIY Yelp disputes are free but succeed only 18% of the time within 14 days. Professional services range from $500 for single reviews to $3,000 for multi-platform campaigns in 2026. A competitor posts a fake one-star Yelp review claiming food poisoning at your restaurant. Within 72 hours, your weekend reservations drop 40%. You need it gone fast. Most business owners try the free Yelp flag button first. It gets rejected in 3 days. Then they panic and hire the first agency they find, paying $1,200 for something that should cost $500. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla to handle Yelp review disputes with transparent pricing and real follow-up. Most people fail here. They assume all review removal services are the same. They are not. Budget agencies charge $200 and do nothing but click the Yelp flag button you could have clicked yourself. Premium agencies charge $2,500 and drag the process out for 60 days to justify the fee. With ReputationZilla, we charge based on complexity, file the dispute with exact policy citations, and follow up every 48 hours until removal. Step 1 is knowing the real price tiers in 2026. Single Yelp review removal through a professional service costs $500 to $800 if the review clearly violates policy. That includes the dispute filing, policy documentation, and 2 rounds of follow-up. If the review is borderline or the business has multiple violations, agencies charge $1,200 to $1,800 because it requires legal-style documentation and escalation to Yelp's trust and safety team. Step 2 is understanding what you're actually paying for. This is important. You're not paying someone to click a button. You're paying for policy expertise. ReputationZilla knows exactly which Yelp content guidelines to cite. We document IP matches, fake account patterns, and competitor behavior. That's what moves Yelp to act. The $500 to $800 fee covers 10 to 15 hours of research, documentation, and follow-up across 7 to 14 days. Here's the problem. Right now your Yelp profile shows that fake one-star review at the top. Your star rating dropped from 4.6 to 4.2. New customers see it first. After ReputationZilla removes it, your rating rebounds to 4.6 within 24 hours, the review disappears from search results, and your weekend bookings recover within 10 days. That's the split-screen moment that justifies the $500 to $800 investment. Step 3 is the exact wording professional services use that you can try yourself first. Open Yelp, flag the review, and in the explanation box write this verbatim. This review violates Yelp Content Guidelines Section 4.2 as it contains false statements regarding food safety that did not occur. The reviewer has no verified transaction history with our business. We request immediate removal under Yelp's policy against fraudulent reviews. Send that. If Yelp rejects it within 3 days, that's when you escalate to ReputationZilla. We file the same dispute but with IP logs, account age analysis, and competitor cross-referencing that proves it's fake. That's what the $500 buys you. This review violates Yelp Content Guidelines Section 4.2 as it contains false statements regarding food safety that did not occur. The reviewer has no verified transaction history with our business. We request immediate removal under Yelp's policy against fraudulent reviews. Professional Yelp removal costs $500 to $3,000 in 2026. DIY works 18% of the time. Pros work 70%. ReputationZilla handles it end-to-end. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete Yelp dispute service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.